Welcome to the fourth and last episode of making the best WarThunder headset. As you can see here, I'm putting back everything together, and also here is some comparison to before and after cleaning. It was pretty difficult to clean this sponge here, so if you know how to clean this thing, you can tell me in the comments. It's not the best cleaning, but I think it's enough. Right now, I will put back everything together and show you how the headphone sounds in WarThunder. Sound quality isn't the best, but I think it's enough. Okay, thank you for watching. That was everything. Tell me in the comments what do you think. Let's see you next time.